Continuing with section 2.5, using formula, here we have example 4, classroom example 4. The length of a rectangle is 1 meter more than 5 times its width. Find the dimensions if the perimeter is 52 meters. All right, well, first we're going to start with a diagram so we can clearly label our diagram so that we can know what we're talking about as far as length and width. This will be my length, this will be my width. I'm told the length is 1 meter more, that's addition, 1 meter more than 4 times its width. 4 times the width plus 1. That's 1 meter more than 4 times the width. And in my word problem, and they never do give me the width, so I'll just mark that W for width. And now I'm told they want us to find the dimensions, the length and the width, if the perimeter is 52 meters. My formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So for my rectangle, my perimeter is 52. What is my length? 4W plus 1. Bring down the plus, bring down the 2, and my width is still W. So in this case, we're going to find W first, and once we know W, we can find the length. Distribute the 2's. 8W plus 2 plus 2W. 52. So my 8W and my 2W will become 10W plus 2. And now we want to solve for W. 52 minus 2 is 50 equals 10W. Divide by 10, divide by 10. So my width is going to be 5 meters. So if my width is 5 meters, 4 times 5 plus 1, 20 plus 1, that means my length is going to be 21 meters. And you go back to the problem, what did they ask for? They asked for us to find the dimensions. They want the length and the width. So we're going to say our length is 21 meters. Pardon, and our width is 5 meters. And remember to use your units. So now you're going to try practice 4. Moving on to classroom example 5, we are not going to end up with numbers here. Notice the instructions say solve for R. That means rewrite this equation so R is by itself on one side of the equal sign. So if I want to get R by itself, we look here and R is being multiplied by 2 pi. This is the formula for the circumference, the distance around a circle. Circumference is 2 pi times the radius.